Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to degrease your engine. Check it out, that's the BMW that we got from Comuter that we are rebuilding right now, and you can see how bad the engine on that thing is. You can see quite a bit of oil leaks here, so we'll need to fix the valve cover gasket. But before we proceed, we want to clean everything here. You can see that oil deposit, that is crazy thick. So stay with us and we'll show you how we do that. So we'll be using Purple Power here guys. It's really affordable, not very expensive at all. 1 gallon we usually buy, but for your engine you need a little bit. So what we do usually, we put some in a spray bottle. Also protect your air intakes. Make sure that you don't spray water in the air filter, the intake. In addition, you can cover all the electrical connectors with aluminum foil. Wrap them with foil so you don't get them wet. However, in our case, we took the engine apart, so we will make sure that we wash everything, including the electrical connectors. You always have to make sure you don't spray. Okay, you don't spray any fuse boxes or computers. Just stay out of there. But the mechanical part, we'll just leave it like that and start spraying. What we usually do, we even spray it before we even rinse it off. That way the Purple Power can start working on the deposits. You can see like that alternator is really bad there. Okay, and we'll just spray the whole thing and let it soak for about 5 minutes. So you can see that we sprayed it, we let it soak for a little bit, and on some really tough stains you need more than one time. And we're going to go ahead and get the power washer now. We usually use a low pressure power washer. Okay, that's the one that we are using right here. Let me show you quick, by Greenworks. Okay, and this one does only 1600 psi, but do not spray the electrical connectors really close. So that's what it looks like. What we're going to do, we'll do one more coat. You can see the bad stuff is out now. We still have one film left, but this is because it couldn't penetrate all the way in. So we're going to go ahead, spray it again. Okay, let it soak this time even longer, and we'll see how that's going to work out. We're ready to go ahead and give it one more spray. Okay, let's see how it's going to turn out now. So this is guys the finished result. As you can see how much better that thing looks. We don't have the fat deposits anymore. Cleaned pretty good from 2 times. You can even do more if you want to, but that's pretty close for us. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.